A very good morning, children. Today you are going to learn EVS Lesson 1, Our Delicious Food. As we have already discussed about the variety of food items, in today's session you are going to learn about healthy eating habits. Wash your hands before and after eating. Sit together to eat. Do not talk while eating. Do not spill food while eating. Chew your food well. Avoid watching TV and using mobile phones while eating. Do not overeat. It can make you ill. Rinse your mouth after every meal. Do not waste food. Always wash fruits and vegetables before eating or cooking. Stale food makes you sick. Avoid it. Avoid uncovered food as it may contain dust and germs. So children, follow the healthy eating habits. Eat healthy and be healthy. Thank you and have a nice day.